I will first explain.
Yeah.
It's recording.
Yeah, that's recording.
Because I thought it was
No, it's grand. It's just like to catch how bad we're gonna be.
So if you do it twice with the gun and then you turn. Okay? From that side, just don't lift it. Just pull out and then on. Okay? And from this side, here you need to lift it, of course. And turn it. You give space enough for it. Okay? Like this. Put it correctly on, straight on flat. When I say 3, 2, 1, push that button here. No pressure on the gun. Okay? 3, 2, 1. You see? You catch it in your hands. Do all the change of the tires and you put it back manually on. You turn clockwise. When is it on the thread like this? You see? Push for reverse. Hold it and give a sign. Okay? No pressure. Let the gun work. Okay? So it's ready to start. It's undo. Okay? Put the gun on to start. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. He's on. Good. Just indicate. Indicate. Yeah. Second chance. Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Ah, not so bad, huh? Or maybe 3 cents, 300 seconds less.
5:17 is the best time.
5:17. Go again. We go again. This one.
So you turn clockwise. You change clockwise, please.
When we're down over here, then we.
Three, 2, 1. It's okay, okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. Ready? No, David. Yeah, full. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Reverse. Good. 6. Turn again, please.
Good go here, yeah.
Push it, 3, 2, 1.
Good
Yeah,
go.
No. Yes, put it back on so you can practice again. Good. That's it. Okay. Okay. Ready? Put on to start and now you wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. Okay, John. Yeah. Just indicate. Good. Last chance. Ready to start? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. You forget reverse, yes, and then you can start again. Because you forget reverse, huh? That's it. That's it. And indicate.
And he does that for a living.
The race is over.